This video is going to show you how to make applesauce cinnamon fritters. First, you're going to need 2 containers of flaky biscuit dough, 2 cups of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 2 cups of applesauce. First, we're going to cut all the biscuits in 4s. You just go just like that. That's all you have to do. Just cut them in 4s. Just like that. Preheat your oven on 350. And just cut all your biscuits just like that in 4 pieces. Okay? Once you have all your biscuits cut up, then we're going to make like an assembly line. You have biscuits, your applesauce, and then your brown sugar. And in the brown sugar, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of cinnamon here. There's 1. There's 2. And just mix it all up in there. Okay, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to take about 6 of them, dip them in the applesauce, then dip them in the sugar. Dip them in the applesauce, dip them in the sugar. Then I have a cupcake pan. I'm going to put some in, and you're just going to flip these over in the sugar, and then put 6 of them in each cupcake hole. And you just keep doing that until your cupcake tin is full. Like I said, you just roll them in the applesauce, roll them in the sugar, and then put them in the pan that's already been sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. You put 6 of the little pieces of biscuit dough in each hole. Okay? Now I have all the pieces of biscuit that are covered in applesauce and cinnamon and brown sugar. We're just going to make the 12 applesauce cinnamon fritters. And you put them in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes, and we'll check them, and they might need 5 or 10 more minutes after that. I just checked our applesauce cinnamon fritters. They're not quite done yet, so I put them on another 10 minutes. We're going to make a simple little glaze for them. I have a cup of confectioner's sugar, a teaspoon of milk, and we're going to just do a couple squirts of butter in it. And then we're just going to mix it up. And when they come out, when they're still hot, we're just going to put a light little glaze of this confectioner's sugar with the milk and butter in it. So you have a nice little light glaze on top of them when they're done. And that's all there is to it. That is ready to go. The fritters were in the oven for a total of 25 minutes. I took them out of the cupcake pan, and now we're going to put our glaze on. I waited about 5 minutes before I took them out of the pan. And then we're just lightly glaze each one with the spoon, just like that. with our homemade glaze while they're still hot so it soaks in. Just put a little bit on each one. And this is your easy homemade applesauce cinnamon fritters. You should have just enough icing to do all 12. Please like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy your cinnamon applesauce fritters.